Steel slags produced from steel making industries are big environmental problem, and therefore its utilization is the need of hour. And if you look into the statistics, about 15 million tons of steel slags are produced in India per annum, whereas 150 million tons of steel slags are generated worldwide. Therefore, there is a need to be utilized in an effective manner. CSIR-CBRI has developed alternative aggregates through processing of electric arc furnace slag, which include physicochemical analysis, free lime determination, finding appropriate method for its reductions, and also casting of different grade of concrete with the electric arc furnace slag coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. Also, we have successfully demonstrated the tetra parts made with the EF slag coarse and fine aggregate at Dolvi, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Very suitable for marine structure as well as for the road constructions.